Do you want to change your name in Meta AI? You can update your profile name in just a few simple steps. This is useful if you want to use a different display name, fix a typo, or keep your profile information updated. Let me show you how. First, open the Meta AI app on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. Tap the menu icon in the top corner of the screen. Then tap the Settings icon. Next, tap View Profile. Here, select Edit Profile. You will see a text box for your name. Tap the name field and enter your new name. After making your changes, tap the Save button in the top right corner of the screen. Once saved, your new name will be updated on your profile. This helps keep your account information correct and personalized. And that's how to change your name in Meta AI on your Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple Android tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.